So do you come each Saturday here?
Almost.
Almost, good. What is this village called?
Nikiti.
Can I record?
Okay.
Okay. Nikiti?
Just step back.
Oh yes, yes.
The village is called Nikiti. It's the biggest village in the second foot of Chalkidiki.
Yes. What is the second foot called? The peninsula?
Sithonia.
Sithonia.
Yeah, Sithonia.
Yes.
There are 3 foods. This is the biggest one.
This is the biggest one.
Biggest,
and they told us this is the most beautiful. Is that
yes,
right?
The best beaches.
Yes.
Less people.
Yeah.
Best beaches, you know. The first food now it's full of beach bars and full of this kind of stuff, and the beaches are spoiled.
Great. So, are there any cliffs here?
Yes, you can find in the sea line.
Sea line? Cliffs? Good cliffs?
Yes, of course.
Nice. Okay. And
Diving, there are scuba diving,
Yes.
many fishermen.
yes. And so, sorry, what's your name?
My name is George.
George. Good. Great, George. Nice to meet you. And so each weekend you come. You are from the village.
No,
You told
I'm
me.
from Thessaloniki.
You are from Thessaloniki, and you
Yes.
come specifically just to fish here.
Fish and for vacation every weekend, you know.
Yeah, we came from Thessaloniki too.
Nice.
Yes, this morning. Great, and this village is very nice indeed.
I have a house, a second house, a beach house, you know.
Yes.
A house in the first foot,
Yes.
but since I got with my girlfriend, she has a house here,
Yes.
and I prefer here. It's better. The second foot is most
better.
beautiful from all foods.
Great, great.
The third foot is also very, very beautiful,
This is
but it's the
Athos.
Yeah, it's
Athos mountain.
The Sand Mountain, you know.
Yes, yes.
So the third foot is most beautiful because less people.
Yes.
Less people, most beautiful. That's the quote here.
Good.
You know?
Good.
Because people pollute the sea and all
Yes.
that stuff.
Great. Ευχαριστώ.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How to say welcome?
Παρακαλώ.
Παρακαλώ. Παρακαλώ, George. Thank you.